Hello.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah, you are audible and visible.
Okay, and now tell me, Vijay, how are you doing today?
Yeah, today doing great. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for connecting me. And I would like to know more about you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Vijay Kanjaria. I'm from Gujarat. Currently live in Ahmedabad city. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed BCom in 2022. Since I have working in the private sector, and I'm an accountant.
Oh, that's great. And how long you have been learning this language?
Uh, I think 6 to 8 months I have completed, but continuously I practiced 2 months ago.
Okay, 2 months ago. Are you connecting
Yeah,
with the different YouTuber, those who are uploading this type of
no,
conversation?
ma'am, you are first. I will connect.
Okay, I think I am the lucky one that I am connecting with you and help me
Yeah,
in improving your English.
I have like a lot of send the mail, but like my job time, it's 9 to 6:30. So I have not more than opportunity video call with
Okay.
YouTubers. Yeah,
Yeah, because all the YouTubers may be so busy in their own
yeah.
schedule. Yeah. Okay. And what type of the hobby do you have?
Uh, I have not any particular, but I like most travel.
Okay, you like traveling. Okay, now tell me what type of the practices you do for the improvement of your English.
Right now, I'm three method used:
Okay.
listening, like conversation video, and uh, reading and shadowing practice right now.
Okay, you are also doing shadowing.
Yeah,
The same practice I regularly do this one, shadowing practice, and it's really helpful for level up your English. You can also improve your pronunciation and
yes,
intonation, rhythm also. Okay, that's great. And like, tell me, what did you do today from like throughout the day till now? Can you
yeah.
explain in English?
And before that, I have been used the Zostock applications. I think around 6 months, and when I am speaking practice day to day, but I feel like right now I feel I'm not connecting to people like video call and outside, only voice call. So
Okay.
I can't see my body language and I to contact with people. So that's a problem I feel right now.
Okay. Are you feeling comfortable?
Yeah, comfortable.
Okay, that's great. And this is your first call and like video
Yeah,
call and you feel like comfortable
yeah,
and it's good if you are able to come. If you are connecting comfortably, you can express yourself in a good way. And that's a good quality that you have that in your first call. And now tell me, you can also ask any question to me also.
yeah. It's two question I have. If you know, uh, after end of the sessions, you tell me like where is my way and what I should and what do I do in the and what I'm improving my English language because
Okay.
yeah and yeah, right now I'm searching like a video call partner, like buy through applications and free applications. So I more than practiced with only video call because I have I think 6 months completed on voice call, but I
Okay.
can't more than improving my English language.
Okay, if you practice daily and if you're trying to connect with different YouTuber also, you can improve more and more. Because when we connect, via video
Hmm.
call, we improve our confidence level and we can also improve our body language and it
Yeah, ma'am.
also build up our confidence and speaking styles also. And I
Hmm.
think video call is better than, voice call also.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, maybe there are so many apps those provide video call also, but I don't know. I only
Okay.
know the voice call app. where you can connect.
Okay.
Yeah. So tell
And
me, like, how is the weather in your side today?
today it's not weather. It's sun whole days in. I think in the 6 days not raining. It's
Okay.
old, yeah, all 6 days sunset.
Okay. It's maybe sunny day today.
Yeah, sunny day.
Yeah. In here, in my side, like 2, 3 days back, it was raining, but right now, uh, like today is a sunny day and it's scorching also. But right now, weather is too cool this time, at this time
A-
only.
And yeah, and I want to know you about yourself.
Okay, as you know that my name is Swati and I am from
Yeah.
Jammu and Kashmir. I am a homemaker, mother to one kid. I love reading, listening to music, watching movie also, and playing badminton. And apart from this, I also inculcate a habit, or maybe you can say that I also started my journey with the YouTube, where I converse with people across my
Mm.
country and upload the same video on my YouTube channel. And I am like improving my English day by day. So that's a bit about me.
Yeah, I saw your videos on YouTube. I think you with connected Rajni ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, where I see your YouTube
okay,
channel.
that's great. And tell me, do you feel shy when you speak in front of people in
Yeah,
real
I have
life?
like one problem. I feel like when I'm speaking, okay. So that time I know about like all grammar rules and all things related to English. But when I'm speaking, then I forget this.
Okay, yeah, the same
Yeah,
problem. If you are just focusing on the grammar part, it's okay if you do mistake because I'm also doing mistake while speaking. Grammar
yeah,
is not issue. You should have to speak more and more. The more you practice, the more you better become. I think you need to speak, and you can
yeah,
also practice with yourself also in front of mirror. You can also record yourself and you can also review your recording where you are making mistake and where you are mispronouncing the word also. So these type of the habit are the you can do in your day to day that really helpful in your in building your confidence in English. So I
yeah.
also don't have any partner where I can talk with face to face. I do
Hmm.
like when I started my journey with this language, I did like mirror practice. Sometime I record my video and review the same. And nowadays I am connecting with people like you and building my confidence and improving my English. And
Hmm.
this way I'm improving day by day. So you can also do the same like shadowing, like mirror practice, and sometimes you can also pretend like you are the two personality. One is questioning and the same you are answering the same. So you can do the same also. So in this way, over a period of time, you will improve also.
Yeah,
But
ma'am.
you are also doing great. Yeah.
Nowadays I did mirror practice. But like when I am mirror practice, so then after 2 and 5 minutes, I can I thought like oh, again like what I'm speak mirror to
Okay.
yeah. So that's
But you
problem.
can also record your, own video also, where you can questioning and answering and then review the same. And you can also have a lot of question to ask to yourself. Because you have recording, you can change also your answer, your question also, while reviewing your own video. So this way
Okay.
you can improve more and more. So you can also search some video call app. There may be free app are available. I'm not
Uh,
getting the name this time. You can do the practice with video call with the people. Do
yeah.
you like
Tomorrow.
listening English?
Hmm.
Do you
Yes,
like
ma'am. Yeah, I like.
listening?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. And shadowing also you are doing.
Yeah.
Like for How many minutes you do practice like shadowing?
Yeah, I do practice like different types. Like 1 hour, half and half hour listening conversation video first, and after some reading, half and half hour, and 1 hour speaking practice in Dropstock application, and after that half and half hour shadowing practice. It's my daily routine now.
Okay, that's a great. Like you are giving your 1.5 hour to the English practice.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's a great. And like last 2 months you are practicing. Yeah, over a period of time, like after 6 months, you may see a big difference in your speaking style also. So
Yeah,
that's a
because
great. Like you are giving so much time to this language.
and I want to know like which application you use usually when in your journey speaking you learn this language.
Like right now, I am not using any application, but for 1 month, I use Ace Fluency app.
Case fluency.
Yeah, they provide 30 minutes in a
Okay.
day. Yeah, voice call.
Okay. Voice.
And CV app also. CV app also provide 30 minutes, like free
CV,
minutes.
CVF I think in AI tutors.
Not AI tutor, there are, real people also connect with you for 30
Okay.
minutes, maybe different state or uh, different gender also. You can talk with them and practice your English. I think CV app is the good one. It's very easy
Okay.
app. You can open and connect with the people anytime, anywhere, and you can talk, real talk to them because all the I think co-learners are here for practicing their English. I never use
Hmm.
Joestock, but I use CV app for a month where I connect with people. And Ace Fluency app also I use for maybe 15 days. Yeah. So sometime I connect with people, but I no idea. I just try to connect with people through, email and like this
Hmm.
session. So
Yeah.
it's really helpful for me right now. You can also use CV app. Try,
And
try it.
video call available in CVF? Yeah,
No,
not
video call are not available, only
only
voice
voice call.
call. Yeah.
Okay.
So this app is
Okay.
also very good for practicing like real life conversation you can do.
Yeah, I will do. I will try to do this definitely.
Okay. And is there any question like you want to ask? Is there?
Uh, yeah, like you right now, or like right now uh, you have create your YouTube channel. Okay.
Yeah.
So you got day to day daily mail. Yeah, you looking for persons, and after that you will connect it and video
Okay.
call.
I am connecting you after a very long time. Like 15 days
Okay.
back, I connected with one lady, but that time I am right now like busy with my own schedule. I'm not
Hmm.
getting time for connecting with people. I have
Yes, ma'am.
many mails, those who want to connect with me, but today I have a time, so I mail to you. Do you have time to connect with me? So let's connect and make a conversation. So it will also help me and as well as help you also. So I think I'm just right now trying to listening podcast conversation video also, and I also doing shadowing right now. But when I
Okay.
started my journey with this language, I started all the aspect like reading, writing, speaking, listening.
Hmm.
But right now I am using only two method like listening and shadowing. These are
Schedule.
the two
Yeah.
method right now I am doing. So because reading, I also read sometime, on the social media or maybe using Google or maybe I can
Hmm.
read some short story. But when I started, I read some, self-help book that time. But right now I am not reading, I'm not writing. Maybe at the night I reflect my whole day. What did I do today? That I try to speak to myself. So this little habit I'm doing right now for the improvement of my English. So right now I'm
Yeah,
doing this one, and
and
I'm connecting to you after a very long time. Like it's
yeah,
about 15 days maybe.
and ma'am, like reading to better than shadowing practice.
Reading.
Reading to better than shadowing practice most.
Reading is better or shadowing is better?
Shadowing is better because your
Yeah, shadowing is better.
pronunciation is clear, and you read also.
Yeah, pronunciation, rhythm. You can
Yeah,
also watch their body language also. You can
yeah,
also
ma'am.
inculcate the person who you like the most, and you can also inculcate their expression, how they inculcate. Because everyone, when they start, they're also like us, and over a period of time and doing practice more and more, now they are at a good level. And I also follow Rajni Verma ma'am, and
Yeah,
when she started also, she was just like us. And now we are, seeing her on social media, and she tremendously improved herself. Right now,
yeah,
she's, you know, improved so much and speaks so well right now.
yeah. I'm also watch this conversation with me.
Yeah, Rajni
I'm
ma'am, and there
daily.
is also Sunita Rawat. Yeah, she
Yes,
also speaks very well. Yeah, there is so many conversation video right now. People are uploading and improving their own English, and they're also helping the other co-learners who want to improve their English also. So I am also doing the same, like connecting with people and conversing with them. Yeah.
and
So
ma'am.
this way you can also start. You can also start your own YouTube channel where you can invite people and make conversation video also.
Yeah, and I want to know, I want to know, ma'am, like in your way in English journey, like what is your big problem you feel, and how you can solve this?
Yeah, the big problem I think when I started my journey, sometime I didn't find good words at the right time, and thinking in English also a big problem. But
Mm,
right now, maybe sometime if a different topic or different word someone say, and if I'm not able to understand, so this
yes,
type of a problem right now I am facing. But I can, handle right now any conversation.
yeah, you
Yeah,
have already completed more than YouTubers with,
yeah, with practice only.
yeah,
Hmm. So if you have any question, you can ask, and we can wrap up our session.
yeah, I
So,
have more than question, but right now I forget this.
okay, I think you should note down those questions and ask me. I have the
Yes, ma'am,
same
because
problem. When I started to connect with the YouTuber, I also have the same problem. I didn't have, question that time like you. Yeah. So the next time when you connect with the, person, try to write down those questions, and it will be very easy for you to ask and
yeah,
solve your doubt also. So do practice more and more. You will improve, and you have that kind of confidence. You are doing great, and right now just try to the same habit that you are doing right now. Just try to do the same, like same day for inculcate for your daily routine, and over a period of time you will be very good at this language. I think you are doing all the all the aspect of learning this language, like reading, writing. Do you
okay.
like do you also doing writing also?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you are speaking
Yeah,
like yeah,
speaking
on audio
practice.
call,
Yeah,
shadowing, listening. So
yes,
these
ma'am.
are the three right now you are doing. It's really helpful. Yeah. As well as you are learning new vocabulary, you can also use those vocabulary in your conversation. And yeah, you will be very good after, 2 or 3 months in
Yes, ma'am.
upcoming. Yeah. So you are doing really great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just try to